Hey bells, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amaka of SKYBELLE Beauty, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're the real MVP. Today's video is going to be a lip review. That's why I have my full face on and no lips. I know it looks strange. And yeah, happy belated birthday to me. Last 2 weeks, that's 6th of April, was my birthday, and thank you so much for the wishes, the love, and the support. And I'm going to do a swatch of the lip products and then come back and share with you guys my thoughts about the lip product. I want you to see the colors and what they look like before we go in and talk about, the specs of it, my thoughts, and all of that. So let's get started. Now this is the shade Diva, and I think it's a gorgeous color. It's a nice, beautiful pink. However, I would say this particular shade chaps a lot, especially when I smack my lips together. Like when I was applying it, I noticed that it would kind of like separate a bit, but it's a really gorgeous color. That's one thing I love about their lipsticks. They have really nice colors in their like selection, and I think this one is really pretty. I just feel like in terms of the quality, it needs a bit of improvement. So this is Diva. Do I look like a diva? So I experienced the same thing with the shade Demure. It was quite a problem layering it, especially when I had already applied it. I was trying to give it a brown liner because it looked it looked really chalky on its own. In this particular case, we need something a bit darker, so I was trying to use a brown liner around it, but mixed with the brown, it's a gorgeous combination. Okay, I am absolutely and totally in love with this particular shade. This is the lip combo in the shade Unbothered, and oh my goodness, this is a gorgeous red. Actually, this was the particular shade that sold me on this entire brand. I saw this lip color on a model and I reached out to the makeup artist, and she told me it was Alice Cosmetics. I had never heard of them before, and this lip color sold me, and I still love it so much. It's so beautiful. It works really well. Application was a breeze. The liner was a little bit matte, which I liked as compared to the other ones, which are very creamy, and it makes it a little bit dicey when you're applying on the lips. But this applied beautifully. I'm in love. I know there's no bias, not because I love red lipsticks naturally. Just look at it. It's beautiful. This is my favorite. Now this is another favorite of mine. It's an absolute beauty. I mean, I just love this shade. This is the shade Rude, and it's a dark, beautiful purple. I haven't worn this type of purple in a really long time, and I think that it's gorgeous. It's not very light to the point where it's chalky, and it's not too dark where you feel too vampy. It's just the perfect in between, and I absolutely and totally love this shade. I mean, check it out yourself. Last two we have here are the lip shines, and I'm going to be combining these two. It's not your regular lip shine. These are like relatively thicker, and they have a good color payoff. So the color you see in here is going to pack a punch. I'm just going to create like an ombre, but first I'll line my lip with a brown liner, to give us like some And that's it, guys. That's the end of the swatches. Let me just talk about the one I have on right now. I think it's a gorgeous and a beautiful combination. I have the lip shines in the shade Allure and Demure, and I use the Blood Cosmetics lipstick in Emoji, This Is the Truth, as my liner. I think it's a gorgeous and a beautiful combo. Very, very, very feminine, very beautiful, very lovely. I would say though that the lip shines don't come with lip liners, but you can definitely use your own lip liner or any of the lip liners that come in the kit. Final thoughts on these: I would highly recommend the two darker shades, which are Rude and Unbothered. That's the purple and the red. I think they are really beautiful colors. They are absolutely amazing. The formula on these are very great. They apply really seamlessly and their liners do them justice. So I would give these a 10 out of 10. However, the other two lighter shades, which are Diva and Demure, Diva applied really flaky. The formulation on this is not very great. I think it needs a lot more improvement. I found that it was quite difficult getting like a smooth, seamless canvas. It looked like my lips were chapping and they were breaking up due to dryness, but my lips were not. So I think it's a beautiful color. The pink is really gorgeous, a very vibrant hot pink. However, the formulation needs work. This applied much better than Diva. However, the shade itself needs a darker liner. So if you're getting this, I would definitely get like a brown liner to ombre it out. I found it difficult to blend this into my brown lipstick that I used as a liner when I had already applied this. So my recommendation when using this is first line your lips and then go over this in the center, and it will blend out a bit better. I struggled a bit blending this, but hey, I think it's a gorgeous lipstick at the end of the day. But on its own, heck no, I can't wear it on its own. If you're a beginner in makeup, I would recommend these. I feel like getting a kit with a liner and a corresponding lipstick would help you a lot, and it will build your kit faster. Tell me, what are your thoughts? Tell me what you think down below. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sticking with me till this time. You are the real MVP. If you liked the video or found it helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.